In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account to your PayPal, a simple step-by-step process that takes about 5 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have seamlessly linked your bank account to your PayPal account, facilitating smoother transactions and easier access to your funds. Let's begin by heading over to the official PayPal website. Open your preferred web browser and type in paypal.com in the address bar. Once the homepage loads, you'll want to look towards the upper right section of the page. Here you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. Next, you'll be directed to a login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Carefully input your email address followed by your password. Remember, ensuring your password is correct is crucial for successful login. Once you've double checked your information, click on the login button once more. After successfully logging in, you will find yourself on your PayPal homepage. Now direct your attention to the top menu section and click on Wallet. This section is where you'll manage your cards and bank accounts linked to PayPal. Inside the Wallet section, there's an option labeled Link a Card or Bank. We are aiming to link a bank, so you'll click on this. A new page will present itself offering you two main options, link a card and link a bank account. Choose the second option, link a bank account, and you'll be prompted to enter your bank details. Here's where you'll need the information about your bank. Start by typing in the name of your bank. Once that's done, proceed to the next field and input the bank code. Entering these details accurately ensures that PayPal can correctly identify your bank when processing future transactions. Next, you will need to enter your bank account number, again being mindful to ensure accuracy. Completing these fields with precision is vital to linking your account correctly and avoiding potential setbacks. Once all the necessary information has been inputted, find and click on the Link Your Bank button. PayPal will then begin the process of verifying your bank account details. This process often includes a series of prompts to guide you through the final steps, so be sure to follow any additional instructions that appear on your screen, ensuring you complete the linking process. And that's it. Once you've followed these steps and completed any final prompts, your bank account should now be linked to PayPal. This connection not only makes transferring and receiving money more convenient, but also enhances the overall utility of your PayPal account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.